Welcome to Monitor. We are belonging to Harley Davidson team. Myself, E. Vasundhara. He is Suresh, Prasad, Rajshekhar. She is Monica. We are telling about information. Your attention please. Train number 3251 arriving in the platform number 1.
Oh shit. Time is. Hello, Monica. Where are you?
Hello, Suresh.
Yeah.
I am beside the railway station. I am coming. Please wait. I will come in a few minutes.
The train is ready to start. Please come early.
Okay, I will come.
Suresh.
Can we go now?
Why are you came late? The train went.
Shut. Then we can go in any other way. Let's go to the train inquiry.
Oh, okay.
Inquiry office.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, what can I do for you?
Ma'am, we are visiting the train. There is any train for Bangalore?
Next time in 10 minutes, Chennai Express is coming. You go to Bangalore.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
Okay.
We can catch the train now.
Oh, okay.
It's a busy city.
Yes, it is a very rush in the train. We make rush and go.
Okay. Then what can we do now? We don't know anyone in this city.
We are appointed for the interview of Infosys company, but we are really don't know that address.
Then let's go and ask anyone if anyone knows how to go to the Infosys company.
Yes. Hey, I think he is Prasad. Hey, Prasad. Prasad.
I call you later. Hi Suresh. I'm very well.
Hey, where are you? Where are you? I seen you last 5 years.
I am in Bangalore City. I have a job in Bangalore City in this company.
Oh, Infosys company.
Yeah.
We are celebrating for Infosys company. And she is my colleague Monica.
Hello.
Now, thank God, we are with you. But we don't know the address of Infosys company.
You go to Infosys company.
Yes, sir.
Go straight, take left. There is a subway and go straight. And there is a CMS center. And besides there is a Infosys company.
Sorry, we are unable to address that. We are unable to catch the address.
We have a lot of work. My colleague Vasundhara is there. I have to phone. I have to call. Hello?
Hello.
Vasundhara, where are you?
I'm in front of the railway station.
You please help me come to this. I am also in railway station. Please come.
You will be staying. I will come.
Okay. Hi Vasundhara.
Hi.
He is my best friend Suresh Babu.
Oh, hi.
And she is colleague. I am colleague Monica.
Hi.
I want to go.
Please.
I want to go. I have a lot of work. Please help me.
Where are you coming from?
We are coming from Hyderabad.
Okay. Which college?
I completed my BTech in Vigyan University.
I came from MBZ.
Okay. Percentage?
87%.
90.
Okay. Count. The is Infosys company.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
Excuse me, sir. Shall I get in?
Can I next?
Okay, come.
My concern.
Your friends. Please go. Yes, sir. Monica. Which college you are coming?
I completed my BTech in Indian University.
Which person? How much percentage?
87%.
You?
I completed my BTech in MBCR College in Vizianagaram and my bachelor in 9%.
Are you interested in to work in a job in Infosys company?
Infosys is the one of the best company in the India. And
It's my dream to work in the Infosys company, and it has a very good name and fame of our country.
Okay.
So I want to work in this Infosys company.
Okay. I sent you mail to your job opportunity. Selected or
Thank you.
selected?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.